everybody and welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Today I am going to talk about internet. This is a very relevant topic because all of us use the internet. If you are watching this video, that means you are using the internet. Internet is the really important invention. Can you imagine your life without it? I can't. So, let's talk about the history, the use, the positives, and the negatives of the internet. The first version of the internet was created in the 1960s. This was a prototype. A prototype is an early model of a product. So, the prototype of the internet was the early version of the internet. It was created in the US. The US government started this project, but that internet was not the same as today's internet. The World Wide Web was created in 1989. People didn't have the internet at home until later. For example, my family started using the internet around the year 2000. How about you? When did you start using the internet? Now, let's talk about the benefits of internet. The internet is one of the most important inventions. It changed the world. Before the internet, there were fewer ways to communicate with the people who were far away. You could call them on the phone or you could write them a letter. But nowadays, most people don't write letters anymore. We write emails or we send text messages. Thanks to the internet, we can send messages instantly. So, communication is faster and easier. Nowadays, many people can have long-distance relationships because of the internet. You can talk to your boyfriends or girlfriends for free using Skype or other apps. For that reason, it's easier to have a long-distance relationship nowadays. It's still hard, of course, but the internet makes it a little easier. Another benefit of the internet is the information it contains. You can find anything and everything on the internet. If you want to learn about something, it's super easy. You just need to search for that subject on the internet. There are so many useful resources online. Okay, now let's talk about some of the negative effects on the internet. For example, there is a lot of bad content on internet. Not everything is good and helpful. There are a lot of things online that we should avoid. Parents need to be careful because children can find anything online. Another negative thing is that people spend a lot of time on the internet. Many of us spend hours and hours every day on computer. We should spend more time outside, but we don't. We are addicted to the internet. One another negative effect of the internet is that our relationships can get worse. Now, it's less common to talk to people in person. We usually talk to people online. This means many children don't learn good communication skills. All right, let me teach you few vocabulary words related to the internet. We use the phrase login or log into when we enter an account, like Facebook, and we use the phrase log out when we exit. So, you can say I logged into Facebook or I logged out of Facebook. Now, let's look at the word username. This is the name that you use to log into an account. You use your username and password to log in. For example, my username in English teacher123. Now I am going to ask you some questions about the video to see if you understood. Write your answers in comments down below. Number 1. When was the World Wide Web invented? Number 2. What is one app you can use to talk people far away? And number 3. What is one negative effect of internet? Alright, remember to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get more updates.